are the pinto beans from dinner that I have to put down the toilet. What? Oh no. It's gonna splash. I'm gonna run at you. You ready? Oh my god.
You missed, dude. You missed a little.
Ew. Ew. Ew, that's so gross.
Wait, where is it?
Ew.
Oh my god.
That's so
So fucking sick. Ah. That's so gross.
Splashed on me. Ew, what am I gonna
No, she spilled and she had to like carve it out on the inside of the lid.
It got on the lid.
So she was like,
We taped it though. Got all on tape.
Sick.
That's a YouTube right there.
It's a YouTuber.
Oh, I gotta.
Quit it.
we had dinner.
Yeah, dinner.
Tacos.
I love how we all sit at the table with our legs up, with our cell phones next to us. We have to have the computer listening to music. We can't just fucking function like normal people. We have to have all of our technology. Idiot.
What?
So gross. Can I tell you a secret?
B.
Ew.
Can I tell you a secret?
No.
What?
One time when I was little, I didn't want to go to school, so I opened a can of vegetable soup and just put it in the
Oh, I've
toilet.
done that. I've done
Like,
that.
Dad, look it!
No.
Look what I did!
Yeah, I've done that with chili though.
Show that. Who listens to music this dramatically? I mean, I know the whole like lighter thing in the air, but who's like candles? Woo! Music! Like, come on. Zoom in on that shit. Like, at first I thought someone jizzed on it. When I went in here, I was like, what the fuck? And then I just realized it was wax.
It might still work. Let's try it. Look at
Put
it.
this shit in.
Hold on, I gotta. Okay.
My favorite to wake it up.
Oh.
Dude. No.
You gotta put that thing down. Yeah.
We're making a movie!
Still works. No, it doesn't.
It just takes a sec.
It's not gonna work. Let's go. Keishan's
Dude, this
getting
shit's busted.
shit.